On the 3rd, the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety announced that Staphylococcus aureus, a food poisoning bacterium, was detected in some Orion custard, and Orion recalled about 92% of the product. 92% of the problematic custard products produced on December 22, 2023 have been recovered from the market, Orion said. As a result of self-examination of products produced from December 18, 2023 to January 3, 2024, no bacteria were detected. Taeyoung Group eventually decided to implement the existing self-rescue plan proposed to creditors, including the Korea Development Bank. According to the financial authorities on the 8th, Taeyoung expressed her intention to implement all 4 self-rescue plans previously proposed to the Korea Development Bank. Companies with management rights such as Lotte Insurance, Geo-Young, and Life are pouring into the M&A market this year. According to the investment banking industry on the 8th, more than 10 domestic and foreign private equity funds are promoting or considering selling their management rights, including Lotte Insurance, Geo-Young, Dig Air Gas, Life, Misha, and Momstach.